Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this model for advanced user. I hope you like it. So let's start to see how to make this model in SolidWorks with the help of feature in sketch command. I hope you like it. Now let's open file, new, and select here part. Okay. Now this is the advanced tutorial for advanced user. So let me start. You can change background plain white. If you like to change unit, you can change it from here, either inches or millimeter. We will keep millimeter. Now this is our main 2D drawing. So we will start here with this circle. This circle diameter radius 102 means 204 millimeter diameter, and we need to extrude here. You will see 178 millimeter, but here also one cutout. This cutout is 82 millimeter. Then there is a step. This step is 22 and 22.5 millimeter and 10 millimeter above from this line, and this is here 5 millimeter. So remember these things, and we will extrude up to that. And inside is diameter 80 millimeter, and this small circle we will do it later. First this one we will. Now here let me choose front plane, sketch. Now let's start with circle. Now here diameter 204 millimeter, enter. Again 80 millimeter, enter. That's it. Now let's draw one center line so that now here we need to make one up to here. Now let me choose this line and make relation horizontal. That's fine. Now here also I'll keep a line. And we will close this one. Let's define. (22 millimeter), and this one defines 22.5 millimeter. Trim entity, let me trim this one. Okay, we need to define some more things here. Up to here, escape. Again choose the line from here to this, escape. Select the line and make sure it is horizontal. Both are horizontal. Trim entity. Now here select power trim. Press your left mouse and drag. See, it's going to trim. A smart dimension. (10 millimeter), and this end is 5 millimeter. Okay, now the remaining thing is (82 millimeter). Now see, select extruded boss base. Now here in selected contour we will choose 1, 2, 3 and this face. This one we will leave it because this is, we have to extrude only up to 108 millimeter, 102 millimeter, but this one is 178 millimeter. End condition keep mid plane. See, so that it will moves in both sides equally. Again we will click same sketch 1, extruded boss base. In selected contour choose this one, but this one we need to move here and both side, and that is 102 millimeter. So in one side by 2, see, and here select direction 2. So 102 minus 89, it's 13 millimeter opposite side. So this become total 102 millimeter. Oh look, uncheck real view so that we will get a proper and visibility. Now see here 102. Now what we will do, we will make this bottom part. This is the important part, and you will see this is 145 millimeter from this center to this center. Inside radius 44.5, outer 178. Okay, and here tangent line, and this line is 31 millimeter. From here to this point is 31 millimeter. We forget to add here, and see there are two things. Okay, let me finish this one first. Sketch normal. Now circle. Draw here two circles. Make one center line. First select the center line vertical. Oh, that's fine. Now this (145 millimeter). (76 millimeter), and the inner one is 44.5 millimeter. Let me choose here line, connect from here to this line. Now we need one more line from here to escape. Again I'll try from this point to this. Make sure it is vertical. This distance is 31 millimeter. Now let me choose this line. Either we can draw it or use simply convert entities. Now select this point and hold shift key, and this arc and line, and make relation here tangent, and one more relation, this one, and this line also tangent relation. Trim entity, we need to trim extra portions, extra lines, power trim. That's it. Now this is your main geometry. Okay, now it's time to extrude. So how much we need to extrude? Now here I will see 31 millimeter first circle, then this middle portion is 25, so 3 minus offset we will keep 3 millimeter and 25, and this is directly 31 millimeter. The next one is from offset we need to keep 103 millimeter and 75 millimeter width. Then this inner part is 109 millimeter offset and 63 millimeter. So let's see. Extruded boss base. Let me choose this face. 31 millimeter. Simply keep end condition blind and make reverse. Okay. Now just drop down the sketch 2, click sketch 2, extrude. And here in selected contour choose 1 and 2, this middle portion. And this time we will make this one 25, but reverse. That means it should go inside. But we need offset 3 millimeter both side. 3 millimeter, offset 3 millimeter. Now it is see coming outside. So reverse. Here 3 millimeter. Now see. Okay. Now look perfectly. Again we will use the same sketch, extruded boss base, and this time again this circle, reverse, 75 millimeter, but offset we saw 103 millimeter reverse direction. Now let's see. Now we can see clearly here, offset 3 reverse direction, blind 75 reverse direction. Okay. Now this pillar, again use the same sketch, click extruded boss base. In selected contour choose 1, 2, these faces is important. Now here it is 63 millimeter wide only, reverse and offset 109 millimeter, reverse. Now I'll show you preview. Now see how it's going to be fixed in the center of this portion. See. Now let's make this upper portion 22. Actually let's see this one. Now see 32 millimeter from one end, 25 radius outer one and 25.5 diameter inner one. But the center distance you will see 262 from this bottom point. And cut edge to edge extrusion. So let's try this one. But here you will see this step is equivalent, collinear to this one, and this one is from bottom. That's fine. Now select this face, sketch, normal, circle, let me choose here line, vertical. Now let's finish this one. Outer diameter is 50 millimeter. Inner diameter 25.5 millimeter. This distance given 7 millimeter. Now there is one center distance. If difficult to find, just simply click center point and find midpoint and draw one horizontal center line. Now try smart dimension. Now distance from here to 262 millimeter. Now distance from outer edge 32 millimeter. Okay, one more okay, this is no need to define one escape, and click this line and hold shift key and this line and create relation collinear. Now see, drawing is fully defined. Extruded boss base, circle and this portion, reverse and up to surface. Up to which surface? This surface. Now see. Okay. Now let's save this part first. Exercise 81. Now here we have two holes. See, 2 into 20, and this is 19 millimeter from this end, and center distance is 126 millimeter. But this is from reverse side. If you saw in section view also, see, this is from the reverse side, and length, inside length is 76 millimeter. You will see this hole. Then from front side, this hole, and this is throughout hole, and the distance 2 into 14 millimeter, and this is 90 degree from here, and this circle is not given, but this is 56 millimeter. I'll show you. Let me choose this face, sketch, normal, select circle and draw one circle. 56 into 2, 102 millimeter. Select here for construction purpose, center line, connect and draw one more line. Now let's draw here two circles. Now select both the circle and create relation equal. That's fine. Smart dimension, angle 45 degree. Same here, 45 degree. And the radius of circle, it's 20 millimeter. It's 14 millimeter. Go to feature and choose extruded cut, and this is going through all. We want, this is the throughout hole. Now select back surface, sketch, normal. Now here draw two circles. Connect through a line. Click on the line, make sure it is vertical, and construction line. Let's define 126 millimeter. $20 millimeter, and the center distance is just half 126 by 2 millimeter, enter. But still it's select both the circles, equal relation, and the gap is 19 millimeter. And the depth of hole is 76 millimeter. Feature and choose extruded cut. $76 millimeter. Okay. That's it. Now let's see what else balance. Now the hole is finished. Now there are three things. One, there is cutout. This cutout 41 millimeter cutout length and 40 millimeter from this end, and the cutout length is 95 millimeter. So I'll tell you how to cut this one. See this arrow, and this inside circle is 28 millimeter, and this is the part of extrusion. You will see the dot here, 25 millimeter, 50 millimeter from this end. So these two things we will make. Select this face, sketch, normal, center line. Center line is always important part of. (28 into 2), it's 56 millimeter. Now let me choose the outer circle, convert entities. That's fine. Now let me choose a line. Make sure it is vertical. Trim entities. Just better to define some dimension first. (6 millimeter) this distance. Trim entity. Just choose power trim, left mouse, press left key and drag. Now see, this is the portion we like to use. Extruded boss base. (25 millimeter). Make reverse so that it will go inside, and offset distance is 50 millimeter from. Keep reverse. Now see, inside. Okay. Now this cutout, for cutout select back surface, sketch, normal. Now click outer edge, convert entities, line. Make sure this line vertical. So click on the line, make relation vertical. One more relation, center distance is 95 millimeter. Now here we have unnecessary lines, so click trim entity, power trim, just press left mouse and drag. Okay, extruded cut. Now once we activate this command, (41mm) the cutout length, but offset from this edge is 40mm. It's going reverse, so make it reverse. Now see, perfectly. That's it. Now 3mm we need to make this cutout, 25mm from top line, and this cutout length is, you will see here, 97mm only. See this cutout, sketch normal. Let me draw center lines. Again choose the line. Now select this circle, convert entities. Let me connect this line. Now trim entities, power trim, trim this line, this portion from here, this one from here. Okay, this is fine, a smart dimension, and let's define the dimension. 3mm, because overall 6mm. Now distance from upper edge is 25mm. Now this cutout length is 97mm. See, finished. So this is the our simple tutorial. It is an advanced level tutorial for advanced user. I hope you like it. Now let me activate real view, edit appearance. That's also one of the best option. Let me choose metal. That's it. Okay, nickel. So don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.